this is Tim from Your6 Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the color on your iPhone home screen back to normal. So if you updated it and everything is a little bit goofy, just hold down on the open space and go to Edit. Now when we go to Edit, we will have the option to customize. Go to Customize. And you can see these different customization options. So we can go to bigger app, smaller app. If we hit this little option, we can go to darker or brighter. So then we have the default. If we just click one of these options, we want to switch it from auto to always, and then we go to default. And then we can try dark, clear, and it's going to switch between light and dark or auto. You can just decide which one you want, probably light. And you can see the background is changing on the top for the icons. And then we got tinted as the last option. So we can change the color and just the tint of, I think this is mainly just fonts, but you can see down here everything is changing for the icons too. So you can change this the way you want. And then we can just set it for light or dark. So you can see this is just changing everything, or auto. Usually I just go to, let's try clear. Clear doesn't look so bad. Maybe a dark clear. And then we can go back under here. And that's a little bit too dark for me. So you can just decide if you want to change this around. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below.